Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Charming 3-bed, 2-bath David Weekley home in Katy. Built in 2005, this 2,102 square feet single story sits on a 7,066 square feet lot in Katy ISD. The inviting floor plan features a formal living/dining combo, spacious family room, and open kitchen with island, tile backsplash, and included refrigerator. A split bedroom layout offers privacy, with a serene primary suite and 2 secondary bedrooms separated by a versatile game/hobby room. Enjoy central gas heat, electric cooling, and an attached garage. Conveniently located near schools, parks, shopping, and major roadways, perfect for comfortable living in a vibrant community.